Hi everyone, I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is Monday afternoon. It's November 30th at 3 p.m. If you've seen any of our videos or if you have not visited our website, you might want to. We are mechanical traders. We start with the premise that we are the dumbest of guys in the room when it comes to trading stocks or trading the markets, and we don't know anything about anything. And better yet, we don't need to know anything about anything. All we have to do is track money flow. So we are about creating algorithms, mathematical formulas to track the action of price. Now, there is no holy grail. There is no one system that will work all the time in all the markets. But just because there doesn't exist the Holy Grail, it doesn't mean that here at Stock Market Caddy that we won't continue to look for it. Whatever we find in the way of proprietary indicators and strategies, we share with our members, our annual members. They get all of our indicators and all of our strategies with all of their advantages, and yes, some of them have a few warts. Okay, they may not work in every market, but we try to point out as best we can the weaknesses to some of these strategies that we might make or indicators so that our members are informed and can make decisions on the fly. What do I mean by that, on the fly? Well, they can make a decision based on what the market is doing, and then in turn make decisions on what strategies they want to employ. If we have a trending market, maybe they want to use trending strategies. If we have a choppy market, maybe they want to use strategies and tools that are more suited for what one might be known as a counter trader. You're currently looking at a combination of the swing machine, which is monitoring the futures markets on a 1, 3, 5 minute. And you can see with the purse how much you would be up had you taken any one of these trades at the particular time, and it's all today, how much you would be up or down. Down below here is a new strategy that is running on Renko charts, classic brick Renko charts for the YM, the Russell, the NQ, and the ES. And you can see there, got a couple of them that are up very, very nice. This is the total profit and loss right now. Now we're going to show you, we've been running this completely automated strategy since midnight of last night. And let me show you the results. Real time, the profit and loss is what has been realized is $2,062.80. Unrealized, the profits running up here is 2,500. So it's up approximately 4,500, 4,600, and these are the individual markets. We will continue to post the results on what we called our kick point strategy. Why did we call it kick point? For those of you who have done any golfing or shopped for golf clubs, you may not know, or maybe you do, that a golf club, depending upon the length of shaft, has a kick point, a place where the club actually bends. And depending upon how hard one swings and how fast one swings and the style of play that they want and the length of the club, somebody may get a golf shaft with a particular kick point. With Renkos, if you're trying to trade, one brick at a time, boy, that's kind of a hard way to go. They look real easy, don't they? But they're not that easy. They're great charts to do some real fantastic programming because the pricing is very proportionate and very balanced. But trading them brick by brick can be like putting down shingles on a roof. Hard work. Your knees hurt. When we trade the kick point strategy, we're letting the machine, totally automated, tell us and let it enter and exit the point in time where the buyers are outpacing the sellers and the sellers are outpacing the buyers. And if you don't want to short, that's okay, just take them long. Now, if you think the kick point can be established by using a moving average, go ahead and plug them in and let me know how that works out for you. I'd like for you to run it just once, and get the kind of results we're getting today. Not possible. Not possible. We wouldn't want you to join our little private club based on just the kick point strategy or just because of swing machine or just because of this or because of that particular proprietary indicator or strategy that you may have seen. We've had folks call and say, I want to join for that one strategy on point and figure or that one indicator on time bars, whatever it is. And, we're the first ones to say that, our membership includes so much more than just one indicator or one strategy. We're here as a mentoring site, a place where you can learn, a place where you can bounce off ideas, a place where you can collaborate, a place where you can come and ask us to write this or write that and back test it, forward test it, and discuss what works, what doesn't work, and why, and really take your trading game from, a mishmash of, trying this and trying that, and try to make it a little bit more mechanical. Because you see, folks, the market is what is disorganized. The market will fly this way and fly that way. And if you're trading based on your profits and loss, you'll be flying this way and you'll be flying that way. What we were trying to do is kind of getting control or lassoing a wild bronco and imposing our disciplines on a chaotic market and from that extracting the profits. Now, if I wanted to, I could turn this strategy off and we could pocket the money for the day and call it a day. But I'm going to let this strategy run right up until about 4 o'clock, a few minutes past 4, and then we're going to shut it down. And then tonight around midnight, we're going to turn it on again, and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And we'll try to continue to give you updates. But if this approach or these concepts of getting mechanical, trying to take the emotion out of trading appeals to you, feel free to give us a call. I'm happy to chat with you. 813-758-8263. By the way, we don't accept everybody. We don't. We've had some folks that we've turned aside. I've actually refunded their money back. Trading is a game of probabilities. There is no holy grail. I'll finish with that. And we're not making here at Stock Market Caddy specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. You're welcome to use these tools and these indicators and these strategies to augment what you're already maybe doing and augment your trading skills, assuming you have trading skills. If you don't, we have a program to help you hone those. But feel free to give us a call if this interests you. And otherwise, if you are getting it done, whatever it is you're doing and with whomever you're doing it, stay with it. Stay with it. Trading should be boring. Our trading is pretty boring. But we have a lot of fun and a lot of enjoyment sharing our expertise and our ideas and our concepts with our members on an ongoing basis. The The membership cost that you might join at stays the same at whatever you join, and we just try to continuously add value. Don't have to use all the tools. You can maybe only want to use a fraction of them. By the way, the kick point strategy in Renko also works beautifully on a 3-line break chart. Thank you.